Welcome back to the shop, guys. This week we're going to build a Sandblaster. I'm Stoner Erickson from Erickson Design Company. Let's build something. Ta-da! We're going to start here by drilling a hole through the top of the bottle with a 13/64 bit. Next, we're going to file the bottom side of the nozzle at a 45-degree angle, creating our draw hole. Now we want this on the bottom so that as the air comes across the hole, it sucks the sand up. If you were to put this hole on the top, it would just clog up. I'm using a clamp here to hold it steady while I file it. It seemed to help quite a bit. I'm going to thread the nozzle onto the bottle, add the cap, and it's pretty much done. Now this is playground sand. It's a fine sand, but it does have coarser bits and pieces in it. So we're going to start by just loading it up with a funnel straight from the bag right into the bottle. This is a good way to do this without making a huge mess. Now what do you need a sandblaster for? I use it a lot to etch glass. Mainly thing I use it for is rust. It's great at removing rust from metal. You can use a grinder or even a grinding wheel on a drill, but the sandblaster, all the bits and pieces of sand actually get really down in there and they blast all the rust off of it. It's one of my favorite things to use. So that playground sand pieces got stuck in my hole here and it blew up. That was terrifying, super scary, the loudest thing I've ever heard. I was deaf for like a minute, so make sure you're wearing all the appropriate safety gear here, glasses and masks. So let's just start over from the beginning. So let's sift the sand this time and see if we can see any of those little rocks. Sifting the sand is probably the best option here if you don't want to have that blow up and blow your hand off. We're going to go ahead and add the filtered sand. If you like fun and creative videos like this and problem solving like this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and definitely leave me a comment. I love to read them and I'll totally comment back. Let's put it to the test. That was fun. Crazy cool to make, dangerous when it blew up. It terrified me. Wear your safety gear. You know, check out the description below. There's affiliate links and stores and music. I spent a lot of time on that stuff, so check it out. Also, check out my other videos right here. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Stoner Erickson from Erickson Design Company, and we built something. Ta-da!